I'm pretty sure the monkey hustle was bad back in the day, but this is worse. To get a nice looking car but a weak engine, and they go through these banks to try to get the most, to try to slap you in your face, and it is crazy, bro. These cars are leaking like crazy. Granted, it might be a small portion of poor maintenance, but if you do get the maintenance, your car is going to still mess up because of them wanting to get weak parts. And now the inflation. It's just crazy, man. And they get away with this.